Here are a few things to remember as a UXer leading or participating in a design sprint. The first thing to keep in mind is that as soon as you decide you're going to facilitate a design sprint, give yourself at least 2 weeks to plan and prepare. This includes setting up the agenda for each day and getting meeting invitations on people's calendars from your immediate team and any cross-functional partners or stakeholders you're including. As part of planning, you'll also want to gather and organize any relevant information to share on day one. This will set up the context for why you're doing the design sprint in the first place and what you hope to achieve at the end of it. UX can also lead mapping out the current state, getting information from experts by asking good questions, helping the group to focus on a target persona, and narrowing the overall design sprint goal. The second day is all about recapping what was covered on day one and sketching as many different solution ideas as possible to solve the sprint goal. The second day is also a good time for UX to begin recruiting at least 5 users from the target persona group selected for the upcoming prototype test. The third day is about discussing the sketched ideas and voting on the top candidates to proceed to the next step, which is prototyping. UX is great at leading techniques like dot voting on ideas and calling out patterns and similarities that exist across the preferred solutions. This can help the group make a confident decision about what to prototype and test. As soon as this decision is made, start on the prototype and test plan right away. For the user testing, use past studies, consent forms, and tasks as a starting place, and then modify them to fit the sprint goal. For the prototype's design, use components and patterns that already exist in your experience or your design system to gain some efficiencies, and to ensure the prototype is as realistic as possible. On the final day, observe the user testing and encourage all design sprint participants to do the same. Have them jot down behavioral observations and quotes during each session. In between sessions, discuss anything interesting about what you're seeing, hearing, and learning. Recap the top findings that either support or contradict the design sprint goal, and decide what to do next. This usually involves more user research and design refinement to continue moving in the right direction after the initial findings. Design sprints aren't a blanket solution for every challenge. They do take some work to plan and properly execute. When you need cross-functional alignment and quick solution direction, they can help your team get comfortable trying something new to work and learn together.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.